Today's topic is water demand. Water demand. Uh, Before discussing, I would like to say one thing. Whenever an engineer is given the duty to design a water supply scheme for a particular section of the community or the city or town, he evaluates the amount of water available and the amount of water demand by public. So balance, manage balance between the demand and supply. Various types of water demand. While planning a water supply scheme, the following quantities are generally assessed and recorded. First, total annual volume in capital V in liters or million liters. Second, annual average rate of draft in liters per day. Annual demand is V and annual on the basis of an per annum. Annual average demand or annual average rate of draft is V upon 365. Third quantity, annual average rate of draft in liters per day per person. That is liters per capita per day or LPCD. Called per capita demand is denoted by small q. And this term is V upon 365 into population of city. Various types of water demand which a city may have may be broken down into the following classes. First demand is very important demand, domestic water demand. Second, industrial and commercial water demand. Third, demand for public uses. And fourth demand is fire demand. This is also very important consideration, fire demand, especially for industrial cities or congested city or haphazard growth city. And last is water required to compensate losses and or losses and waste or thefts, etc. So first water I have discussed, first water demand is domestic water demand. This includes the water required in private buildings for drinking, cooking, bathing, lawn sprinkling, gardening, sanitary purpose, etc. On an average, this domestic consumption under normal conditions in an Indian city is expected to be around 135 to 200 liter per day per person. For rural areas, this demand is around 135 liter per capita per day, and for urban areas, this demand become around 200 or 225 liter per person per day. So we can take average demand to around 200 liter per day per person as per IS 1172 1971 code. In but in developed and affluent country like USA, this figure goes as high as 340 to 400 liter per day per person. The total domestic consumption generally amounts to 55 to 60% of the total water consumption. All these 5 and 6 types of water consumption, total water consumption. The breakup of 135 liter per day per person as follows. Average domestic water consumption in an Indian city use, and this is the consumption in liter per day per person. For drinking purpose, 5 liter per day per person. Cooking, 5 liter. Bathing, 55 liter. Washing of clothes, 20 liter. Washing of utensils, 10 liter. Washing and cleaning of houses and residences, 10 liter. And flushing of WC or latrines, etc., 30 liter. So total is 130, around 135 liter per day per person. So total domestic water demand is equal to total design population into per capita domestic consumption. This is the total water demand for a community or a city or a town. Total design population into per capita domestic consumption. Second, industrial and commercial water demand. This includes the quantity of water required to be supplied to offices, factories, different industries, hotels, hospitals, etc. On an average, a provision of 20 to 25% of the total water consumption is generally made in the design for this usage. Third is demand for public uses. This includes the quantity of water required for public utility purposes, such as watering of public parks, gardening, washing, and sprinkling on roads, use in public fountains, etc. For water supply scheme in India, a nominal amount should not exceed 5% of the total consumption. And fourth, water demand for a city or public is fire demand. This is the very important demand. In thickly populated and industrial areas, fires generally break out and may lead to serious damage if not controlled efficiently. The minimum water pressure available at fire hydrants should be of the order of 1 to 1.5 kilogram per centimeter square. Minimum pressure should be maintained 1 to 1.5 kilogram per centimeter square and should be maintained even after 4 to 5 hours of constant use of fire hydrants. This is the minimum demand, minimum requirement of fire hydrants. Fire demand, not a fixed demand. Fire demand is a function of population. Is worked out on the basis of certain empirical formulas. Empirical formula, there is no derivation of these formulas. So fire demand can be determined by with the help of some empirical formulas. First one is Kuchling's formula. This formula say Q is equal to 3182 into under root P, where Q is equal to amount of water required in liters per minute and P is equal to population in thousands. If a city having population 1 lakh, then value put in place of P is equal to 100, not 1 lakh, because population in thousands. P is equal to population in thousands. So value of P is equal to 100 for a population of city 1 lakh. Second is Freeman formula. Q is equal to 1186 into P upon 10 plus 10. Q and P stand same as above. National Board of Fire under Writer's formula, according to their recommendations by the board, now known as American Insurance Association. The fire requirement are as given below according to this board. For a central high volume city, first case when population is less than or equal to 2 lakhs, Q is equal to 4637 into under root P into 1 minus 0.01 into under root P. This is the formula. And second condition is when population is more than 2 lakhs. A provision for 54,600 liter may be made with an extra additional provision of 9,100 to 36,400 liters per minute for a second fire. This is the requirement for fire demand. And B, according to National Board of Fire, first high volume city, first case, and second is for a residential city. The required draft for firefighting may be as follows. In this category, three types. First, small low buildings 2,200 liter per minute, large or higher buildings 4,500 liters per minute, and third is high value residences apartment is equal to 7,650 to 13,500 liters per minute, and fourth, three-story building in densely built up sections is equal to up to 27,000 liters per minute. And next is Buston's formula. According to this formula, Q is equal to 5,663 under root P, where P and Q having the same meaning as given above. And last demand is water required to compensate losses in thefts and waste. This includes the water lost in leakage due to bad plumbing or damaged meter, stolen water due to unauthorized water connection, etc. The amount of losses is usually taken as high as 15% of the total consumption. So these are the some requirements or water demand for a city, depends on type of city or population of the city. Thank you.